Is it possible to mute music on Roblox? Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing and finding out if you can mute music in Roblox or not. So now let's get started. First of all, launch your web browser and then go to roblox.com, or you can directly launch your Roblox app and then log into your account. After that, go ahead and play any game that you'd like to. And once you're in the game, press ESC to open the settings. Then go to the settings section, scroll down, and there you will see the option of volume. You can only control the overall volume, and there is no separate setting to mute just the music. But in some games like DTI, which is Dress to Impress, you can mute the in-game music, and I'll show you how. Simply search for DTI. Now tap on the gear icon in the left-hand side of the screen, and there you will see the option of music volume. Simply drag the slider to the lowest and you'll be done. Now the in-game music will be muted and the others will be audible. So I want you to know that not all games on Roblox offers this option, and if the game developer didn't add a music mute button, you can't mute the music independently. You have to lower the entire game volume. So this video aims to inform you that the only way to reduce music volume is to reduce the overall game volume if the music volume is not available in the game. So if this helped clarify you things, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.